we're here in the garage today. I know it's kind of messy, but it is what it is. A few weeks ago, Nick came to me. He said, "Hey, Dad," he said, "I can't find any plans for any speakers. He does some DJing and stuff for school, and he wants stuff for the prom, and he's looking all over online. And what he did find was speakers that was astronomically priced. He said, Dad, can you design me some? Sure. So for a few bucks, we're actually going to build a set of speakers, I think, for under $100.
From the squeak of the hinges to the roar of the drive, Bob and Nick keep the world alive.
But anyhow, let me walk you through some of this stuff. Basically, what I have here is I have some wood. Well, folks, it is the next day. Unfortunately, with the air compressor running and everything in the garage, I did not hear that the camera was full. So I didn't have any of the footage besides what you seen just a second ago, but that's okay. That's okay. I will have detailed instructions for you. Just subscribe. What we got here? All right. These are the two speakers that we were building yesterday. We cut out. I put together in the garage. They have the hole. They're designed for a 10-inch. And then I kind of messed up the hole here. I thought we had a different tweeter. It's a little bigger, so we're going to print a piece to fill in the hole. And we're going to actually put our logo on there. So walk around a little bit. And again, these are 20 inches high. And 16 inches wide in the front.
Bob got a heart, he's a fixing man. With Nick by his side, they've got a plan. From a busted car to a cracked phone screen, they're turning wrenches, living the dream. Garden tools and a leaky sink, a computer crash or a car on the brink. No job too big, no task too small. Technology Bob showing us all. Click that button, give it a go.
Speakers all painted up. I got all the wood cut. Nick is gonna walk us through this stuff. I think we got some bright lights here we may have to turn off. Like the one above here, but it's okay. Let's just keep going. All right, go ahead, Nick.
So first, for a PA system, you have a subwoofer and a tweeter. And this is a crossover. This allows it so the bass, the boom, doesn't go to the tweeter and will blow it up. So we're gonna wire that before assembling all these together.
So where do we get that crossover, Nick?
This can be found on Amazon or any audio store.
All right.
And this is the push terminal to put your wire.
And where does that go, Nick?
This will go on the back right here.
All right. All right, we won't ask you any more questions. Go ahead and get some assembled and we'll get some close-ups.
Bob got a heart, he's a fixing man. With Nick by his side, they've got a plan. From a busted
I do want to mention that when we get around to the tweeter, the front side of the speakers, we still have yet to cut a piece. As I mentioned in another video or another section, I think the section that you watched right before this, is I made a boo-boo. Then Nick printed some today, and he actually listened to the manufacturer. They don't fit in there right. So we got a option B tomorrow.
phone screen, they're turning wrenches, living the dream. Garden tools and a leaky sink, a computer crash, or a car on the brink. No job too big, no task too small. Technology Bob showing us all. Click that button.
What is that tool you're using there, Nick?
A wire cutter with crimper, and it's automatic.
Right. That can probably be bought on Amazon also, right?
Yep. And I'm labeling which is going to be the black wire.
How are you labeling that?
The negative, I'm labeled like this. I covered the one which is identified as negative.
So you put a piece of black tape on there.
Yeah. And this model is labeled bass, treble, and your input.
Okay. What is the treble? The
treble is your high frequency, and your bass.
So
is
it's
your
actually
low.
treble, not treble.
Treble.
No, it's treble. I'm just making fun.
Watch them work on what you know. Building dreams one fix at a time. On technology, Bob, they're doing just fine. They weld and wire, hammer and nail. Spruce up the garden, or fix a derail. Nick's got a laugh and Bob's got grit. Together they're making treasure from bits. Oh, trucks smoking PCs, blue screen. Oh, washing machine that's busting at the seam. Tune into their channel and you'll be hooked. Learning as they teach you what it took. From morning sun to the evening glow, behind every fix there's hard work to show. Bob and Nick, they've got that spark, building a channel, leaving their mark. Oh, trucks smoking PCs, blue screen. A washing machine that's busting at the seam. Tune into their channel and you'll be hooked. Learning as they teach you what it took. From morning sun to the evening glow, behind every fix there's hard work to show. Bob and Nick, they've got that spark, building a channel, leaving their mark. Click that button, give it a go. Watch them work on what you know. Building dreams.
Good evening, folks, or afternoon, folks. How you doing today? This is actually a couple days later than when we talked to you last time. I know it's just a second in the video. However, we actually completed the speakers. We've been having problems with getting an amp. So, and we still don't have one working all the way. We have to, the one that we just bought, it only works on one channel. So we have it crossed over. So anyhow, but that ain't gonna affect this. So lo and behold, these are the speakers. They came out pretty nice. I actually think they came out really good. Anyhow, so what I want to do tonight is I want to talk through. We're gonna just do a little demonstration of them. All right, and we're gonna play a minute of the song or a little less. Now remember, we built this just a few days ago. You've seen it. We built it. We cut these. We built them. We ordered all the parts. So really, it's ready to go to prom. I want you to get a close up here, Nick. Can you get all this? All right, we're going to talk a little bit about this. Our goal for this project was $100 to $150 for two speakers. $100, $150 for two speakers. We came in at $126, so we were like, we weren't really over, but we actually really were shooting here, but we wanted to be in here, so we're actually calling this a win. Oh, it's a win. It's a win. But it was $26 over $100. So it's $126. All right. If we were going to buy these on the market, speakers of this, these are 1100 amp speakers, right? 100 amp, 1100. We'll know in a minute. I got
Wattage.
it over there. Huh?
Wattage.
Yeah, 1100 watt. The lowest for one speaker, 219 to $549 for one. The lowest total, that would be 438 to 1098. The only resolve you have at this, if they break, you have to go to warranty. There's nothing else, just warranty. All right, now here's what we got here. All right, here's what we got here. We actually have 500 RMS, 1,000 watt, 4 ohm speakers. For this project, the tweeters cost $28. The woofers cost $32 each. The crossovers cost $8. The push pins in these pins in the back that allow so you can hook the wires up. These cost $8. And the wood itself was one sheet of particle board, a 1/2 inch particle board that cost $18. And I actually think it was just a little bit over half sheet. And I think if you did something, I think you could get it even lower. So, but $126. There's a couple of things here. These are swappable. We can replace any component in there. We can change the speakers. We can do everything we want to it. We own it. Parts can be replaced. I mean, it's upgradable. I mean, it's just like, this is it. And to be honest with you, we're going to leave a parts list of these tweeters and woofers and everything what we used in here. The plans will be available for you. You will have to, if you just say speaker plans in the comments below, I will send you a link. You'll go to my website. You'll fill out a little thing that, hey, send me some speaker type things or plans, and I'll get an email, and I will send them out to you. But I need to verify that you're a subscriber to my channel. I mean, that's part of the thing, right? So anyhow, that's really it. That wraps this project up. We're having problems with our amp here, but that has nothing to do with the speakers. So, all right. So, for now, folks, thank you, and join us next time. Bye-bye.